Wine draws our attention by its color. When brilliant, clear, and captivating in color, we desire to take the filled glass, smell its contents, and learn more about the wine. The yellow color of a wine suggests springtime and summer, the reemergence of nature, and a sensation of emotional opening. Red or violet in wine makes us think of forest berries in autumn, of deciduous trees, of the humid forest floor made of fallen leaves, of the cold, of warm dishes for winter, and of the fireplace. Rosé speaks to us of transition between red and white, between winter and summer. Springtime of roses, strawberries, fresh foods, St. George, lovers, and fresh air. The color of the wine comes from the extraction of the grapes and also from the aging. The intensity of the color tells us of a wine's body, of its corpulence, while the tonality will usually be an indication of a wine's age, where it is on its evolutionary path as it ages. White wines begin pale yellow to green to more oxidized colors, amber. Rosés and red wines will begin with blue-violet red tonality and will end up also with orangey, tawnish amber colors. To judge the color of a wine, what we do is we tilt the glass forward, look into the center to understand its intensity, or to perceive the intensity, and look towards the outer rim to understand the tonalities.